Hello everyone, I am Joshi Saurabh Deepak. Thank you so much for clicking and watching to this video. And if you don't know me, I prepare videos for diploma in pharmacy student. I create my own notes, PPTs and make a video. Also for more information and updates, you can check out my Instagram page Joshi Saurabh01. You can get link in the description box below. Before this video start, please check out my page, other videos. To watch that, either click on I button on the right top corner, or also you can get link of videos on description box below. Also visit to my YouTube page and don't forget to like, share, comment and most important subscribe to my page. Today I try to explain topic anti-malarial agents or the drugs topic in the pharmaceutical chemistry 2 in diploma in pharmacy second year. And if you like my video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you want to skip any part, you can use this timestamp explained in the description box below. Now let's start with the introduction about malaria. Firstly, we study about malaria. Malaria is the most deadly of all the tropical diseases caused by the parasite Plasmodium species. It is transmitted through the bite of female Anopheles mosquito, that is a vector, and a human being, that is a host. Four Plasmodium species responsible for causing malaria in human being are Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium malariae. Symptoms of malaria infection are chills, fever, anemia, enlargement of liver, body pain and sweatings. Fever tends to recur every 3 days or 4 days, and accordingly infection are called as a tertian or quaternion respectively. For example, malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum is known as a malignant tertian malaria. Plasmodium vivax causes malaria is called as a benign tertian malaria. Plasmodium ovale causes mild benign tertian malaria. Plasmodium malariae causes quaternion malaria. Plasmodium is a multi-faced organism. It changes not only its shape and form but also its home during the course of its life. Plasmodium falciparum causes severe and fatal form of malaria. It destroys large number of blood cells causing anemia. It also penetrates the tissue of certain organs like brain, spleen, kidney, etc. Penetration in brain tissue may be fatal. Now we study the life cycle of malaria parasite. The life cycle of Plasmodium is composed of asexual phase in human and sexual phase in vector, that is a female Anopheles mosquito. Male Anopheles mosquito does not feed on vertebrate blood. Only the female Anopheles mosquito is depend on the human being. First part in the life cycle of malaria is life cycle in mosquito, that is sexual phase in a vector. When a female Anopheles mosquito bites an infected person, it injects erythrocyte carrying plasmodia in various stage of development. The asexual form are destroyed while gametocytes develop in gametes. The male gamete, that is microgamete, and female gamete, that is macrogamete, undergoes conjugation to produce a zygote. The zygote developed into ookinetes, which form a rounded cyst called as a oocyte. The oocyte undergoes again nuclear division and then bursts, releasing several motile sporozoites. The sporozoites migrate to salivary gland, and when mosquito bites a healthy person to transmit it to him. This cycle in mosquito called as a sporogony takes for the 7 to 11 days. Next, life cycle in the human. In the human, the parasite first residue outside and then inside the red blood cells. In the life cycle of human, there are again two parts. First one is the exoerythrocytic phase and second one is the erythrocytic phase. Firstly, we see exoerythrocytic phase. The sporozoites enter the host liver cell and each sporozoite undergoes several nuclear division to form scion. The enlarged liver cells burst to release parasites called as merozoites into bloodstream. They enter the erythrocytes. Some merozoites other than Plasmodium falciparum invade fresh liver cells and repeat the cycle. Next phase is erythrocytic phase. Inside the erythrocytes, the merozoites grow into round vacuolated cells called tropozoites. Cell division occurs giving daughter cells called as scions. Each scion divides giving rise up to 30 merozoites. These are liberated when the erythrocytes rupture and enter fresh erythrocytes. This cycle of asexual reproduction in erythrocytes is called as a sciony. It takes about 48 to 72 hours. Some of the erythrocytes, merozoites, develop into male and female gametocytes. These are ingested by the vector and undergo sexual phase there. Now there are two concept structure are also called as a representation or flow chart for the life cycle of Plasmodium species. Firstly, we study this sequence and then the two charts by giving. You can memorize the life cycle of Plasmodium species. These are the diagrams for the life cycle of Plasmodium species for the better understanding. Next point is the chemotherapy of malaria. In simple way, we are studying what is the line of treatment for the diseases. For the control and eradication of malaria is attempted in two ways, which are eradication of vector, that is mosquito, by maintaining sanitization and spraying insecticides regularly, and carry out effective prophylaxis and treating patients. Several drugs are now available for the malaria chemotherapy or the treatment for the malaria, and these act on various stages of parasites. Acute attack of malaria occur when the scions are released in the body. Clinical cure in the patient showing malaria attack can be achieved by the using erythrocytic scienticides like 4-aminoquinoline. For the radical cure or complete cure achieved by eliminating both erythrocytic and exoerythrocytic forms of parasite, and for this radical cure and complete cure 4-aminoquinoline and 8-aminoquinoline both are used in the combination. Person visiting area where the malaria is endemic should take prophylactic treatment or suppressive treatment. Drugs which are not lethal to parasite but suppresses its growth used for this purpose, for the prophylactic treatment or suppressive treatment. Following table shows anti-malarial drugs used for the different purpose which are explained now. Quinine, which had been largely replaced by the synthetic anti-malarials, has now staged a comeback as many cases of parasite resist to the synthetic compound are occurring. In the past few years, many causes of chloroquine resistance Plasmodium falciparum have been observed. This is the table for which drugs used for the cure of malaria is shown. For the clinical cure, 4-aminoquinoline or quinine or pyrimethamine is used. For the radical cure, combination therapy means 4-aminoquinine and 8-aminoquinine is used in the combination, and for the prophylaxis, pyrimethamine or chloroquine or pyrimethamine and sulfadoxine is used in the combination. Next point is classification of anti-malarial drugs. These are two parts. First is A, depending upon site of action, and second is B, depending upon chemical basis. Firstly, we study depending upon site of action. These are again divided into four parts. First one is a sporonticides, that is also known as a sporozoiticides. These drugs are effective on sporozoites. No suitable drug is available, and pyrimethamine has some sporonticidal action. Second is a tissue scienticides. These drugs are effective at pre-erythrocytic stage. For example, primaquine, proguanil, and pyrimethamine. Third one is a blood sesonticide. These drugs are effective at erythrocytic stage. In that again, first is fast-acting sesonticide, for example quinine, chloroquine, and amodiaquine. B is a slow-acting sesonticide, for example proguanil or pyrimethamine. Fourth one is the gametocides. These drugs are effective on gametes. For example, drugs are primaquine and quinine. Second class is a B depending upon chemical basis. In that first one is a quinolone derivative. In that again first one A alkaloids, for example quinine. B 4-aminoquinoline, for example chloroquine or amodiaquine. Third C 8-aminoquinoline, for example primaquine. Second one is acridine. G-aminoacridine, for example mipacrine. Third one bigonides or bigonides, for example proguanil. Fourth one is pyrimidine derivative or diaminopyrimidine, for example pyrimethamine and trimethoprim. Fifth one is a miscellaneous. In that A is a sulfonamide, for example prontosil. B is sulfone, for example dapsone. Now we see list of drugs which are used to study in diploma. First quinine, second chloroquine, third amodiaquine, fourth primaquine, fifth proguanil, sixth pyrimethamine, seventh trimethoprim. Next, we are studying one by one all these drugs in detail. First one is a quinine. It was the first drug having significant antimalarial activity. Also, it is alkaloid present in cinchona bark. It contains quinine and quinacridine heterocycle, which are linked through a carbon-carrying secondary alcoholic group. It contains two basic nitrogen atoms. Nitrogen of quinacridine is more basic than of quinoline. Methoxy group present at C6 carbon number 6 position of quinoline, and vinyl group is present at 5 position of quinacridine. It can form monohydrochloride, dihydrochloride, bisulfate and sulfate salt. Physical properties: quinine is white or faintly yellow crystalline powder having odorless, very bitter taste, and also it is a livorotatory. Solubility: very slightly soluble in water, soluble in alcohol, dilute acid, dilute ammonia solution. Quinine also produces blue fluorescence with dilute H2SO4. It is diastereomer of quinine. Stability and storage of quinine: it is affected by light, hence stored in a well-closed light resistance container. Uses of quinine: it is rapidly acting blood sesonticide and is also gametocide. Also, it is used to treat severe and complicated malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum, to treat cerebral malaria, also to relieve night leg cramp, to relieve muscle cramp in myotonia, congestia, and slow relaxation. As a sclerosing agent in combination with urethane. Also, it has a mild analgesic and antibiotic activity or property. Dose for quinine is a 600 mg thrice or 3 times a day for 4 days. Pharmaceutical formulations available in the market is quinine sulfate tablet, quinine bisulfate tablet, quinine hydrochloride tablet, and quinine dihydrochloride injection under the brand name malaria mixture, Flucoy, and Vigotab. Second drug is chloroquine. It contains quinoline as a heterocycle. Chloro group is attached at carbon number 7 position. The amino group at C4 is substituted by 4-dimethyl amino 1-methyl butyl group. Chemical name for chloroquine is 7-chloro-4,4-diethylamino 1-methyl-butylaminoquinoline. Structure is given as follows, both in the numbered form and in the complex form. Physical properties of chloroquine are: it is white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, discolored when exposed to light, freely soluble in water, slightly soluble in chloroform. Its sulfate salt has similar properties as chloroquine phosphate. Chemical reactions: when it is treated with picric acid solution, crystals of its picarate having melting point 207 degrees Celsius as obtained. When its solution in nitric acid is warmed with ammonium molybdate solution, yellow precipitate is obtained. Stability and storage: it is discolored or decolorized in presence of sunlight, so store in a well-cooled light resistance container. Uses: it is used to suppress and cure malaria due to sesonticidal and gametocidal both activity, to treat amoebic hepatitis, to treat chronic discoid and systemic lupus erythematosus, to treat rheumatoid arthritis due to its anti-inflammatory action or property. Dose: total dose equivalent to 1.5 gram of chloroquine is used, initially given as a 600 mg of base followed by 300 mg of base after 6 hours and further 300 mg of base daily for the 2 days. Pharmaceutical formulations available in the market as chloroquine phosphate tablet, chloroquine phosphate injection, chloroquine sulfate tablet and chloroquine sulfate injection form under the brand name Cepaquine, Amobiotix and Nivaquine. Third drug is amodiaquine. It is differ from chloroquine in having 4-hydroxy-3-diethylamino methylphenylamino group instead of 4-dimethylamino 1-methyl-butylamino group at C4 position. Chemical name of amodiaquine is as 7-chloro-4,4-hydroxy-3-diethylamino methylphenylaminoquinoline. Physical properties are: amodiaquine is available as a hydrochloride salt form with yellow crystalline powder, odorless and bitter taste, and solubility is very slightly soluble in ethanol. Chemical reactions: when it is treated with cobalt cyanide solution, a green precipitate is formed. Next is the stability and storage of drug. It is stored in a well-closed light resistance container. Uses are same as a chloroquine as already stated, to suppress and cure malaria, to treat amoebic hepatitis, to treat chronic discoid and systemic lupus erythematosus, to treat rheumatoid arthritis. Dose: initially equivalent to 600 mg as a base followed by equivalent to 400 to 600 mg base daily for 3 days. Pharmaceutical formulation as amodiaquine tablets under the brand name Camoquine and Favoquine. Next drug is Primaquine. It is quinoline derivative. It contains methoxy group at position 6 and 4-dimethylamino 1-methyl-butylamino group at C8 position. Physical properties: it is available in the phosphate salt form as orange red crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste and soluble in the water, insoluble in alcohol. Chemical properties: Primaquine is treated with nitric acid and cetic ammonium sulfate. A deep violet color is produced. Stability and storage: it is affected by light, hence it is stored in a well-closed light resistance container. Uses: it is used as anti-malarial having tissue sesonticidal and gametocide activity and mainly used for radical cure of Plasmodium vivax infection in conjugation with chloroquine. Dose: 25 mg once a day for 14 days. Pharmaceutical preparations available in Primaquine tablet form under the brand name Aralone with primaquine and primalex. Next drug is proguanil and also called as a chloroquinide. It is biguanidine derivative. N1 nitrogen is substituted by para-chlorophenyl group and N5 nitrogen is substituted by isopropyl group. In the liver, it is converted to cycloguanil, which is an active principle and exhibit antimalarial activity. Physical properties of proguanil are: it is available as a hydrochloride salt form, white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, and slightly soluble in water and insoluble in chloroform. Chemical reactions: when aqueous solution of proguanil is treated with potassium ferrocyanide, a white precipitate is observed. Next point, stability and storage. It is affected by light, so store in a well closed light resistance container. Uses: it is used as a tissue sesonticide and slow blood sesonticide, used for the short term and long term prophylaxis of falciparum malaria and associated malarias. Used for a long term prophylaxis of vivax malaria. Dose 100 mg per day. Pharmaceutical preparations: proguanil is available in the market as a tablet form under the brand name Paluridine. Next drug is pyrimethamine. It contains pyrimidine as a heterocycle. Two amino groups are present at C2 and C4 position. Ethyl group is at C6 and para-chlorophenyl group is at C5 position. Given below is the structure for pyrimethamine. Next point is the chemical name. Chemical name of pyrimethamine is 2,4-diamino 5-para-chlorophenyl 6-ethyl pyrimidine. Physical properties: white crystalline powder, odorless, tasteless, insoluble in water and soluble in warm dilute mineral acid. Chemical properties: when it is solution of drug in dilute sulfuric acid is treated with potassium mercuric iodide solution, a creamy white precipitate is observed. Storage: it is affected by light, so store in a well closed light resistance container. Uses: it is used as a primary tissue sesonticide and slow blood sesonticide, used for prophylaxis and treatment of malaria. In the combination with sulfadiazine, it is used to treat toxoplasmosis. With sulfadoxine or dapsone, it is used to treat, or it is used as a enhance or increase antimalarial activity. Dose of drug is 25 mg per week. Pharmaceutical preparations: pyrimethamine tablet, pyrimethamine and sulfadoxine injection, and sulfamethoxine and dapsone tablets under the brand name Pyraphine, Daraprim, and only 2. Next drug is trimethoprim. Chemical name is 5,3,4,5-trimethoxybenzyl pyrimidine 2,4-diamine. Physical properties: white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, very slightly soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol, and sparingly soluble in chloroform. Melting point is a 200 degrees Celsius. Storage: it is affected by light and stored in a well closed light resistance container. Uses are same as before, used in the combination with sulfamethoxazole under the name quatrimazole. It is used in the conjugation with sulfonamide in the treatment of chloroquine resistant falciparum malaria. Dose 0.5 to 1.5 gram of trimethoprim is combination with 0.75 to 1.5 gram of sulfamethoxyrazine. Pharmaceutical preparations: quatrimazole tablet, quatrimazole injection under the brand name Apriprim, Tiprim Force, and trisulfols. Here we are at the end. Thanks for studying up to end. This is all about anti-malarial drugs. I came back with a new topic and new video in some days. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you in some way or other. And if it did, then please hit that thumbs up button. It gets me so much motivation to produce new videos. Please subscribe to my channel. It not just makes up for all the efforts that goes into making this video apart from daily schedule. Thank you for that. And if you any query, you can contact me on mail and also on social media like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Link for all these in description box below. Till then, thank you so much, and at last stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. See you in next video.